Welcome back, superstars. You guys, what are we making? We're making spaghetti. I love spaghetti. It's the perfect meal, the perfect family meal, actually. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy, and we are going to show you how I make my spaghetti sauce. Kind of with a twist. It's kind of sort of derived from how my mother makes hers, and she makes hers so good. I feel like it's never going to taste exactly like hers, but I do add some extra little things into my sauce. So we got some ground chuck, and we are just sauteing that until it is partially done. But I hope you guys are having a great day. I don't know what you guys are eating, but even just coming back here and watching this is making me hungry, honey, hungry. So let's see. We got our Holy Grail Montreal steak seasoning. I told you guys that I use this stuff on everything. Like, I swear by it. I use it for everything other than steak. Like, I'm going to have to make some steaks one day and actually put it to some use. Then we have our garlic powder, which is essential. Gotta have the garlic powder. And I love garlic, so I put a lot, honey. If you want to be fancy, you could put minced garlic, but we ain't got time. So now we have dried oregano. And we're going to put a nice serving of that. And then we have some sugar. You want the sugar to help with the acidity of the sauce. And lately, I've been dealing with some acid reflux, so I had to make sure to put a lot of good, I can't even talk straight, a good amount of sugar in there because ain't nobody got time for this goodness to be trying to come back up. So then you're just going to mix everything together to incorporate it very well. Toss, toss, toss. Okay, so what is that, you may ask? That is Johnsonville Italian sausage, mild flavor. And let me tell you something. You put them things in a pot with some water and you let them cook until they're pretty much done. And you take them up, dice them up, throw them in there with your meat. Now, I normally would use portobello mushrooms, but you have to buy what you can during these trying times. So we just settled for a can of mushrooms, okay? The stems, the pieces, whatever. So I'm mixing that all together. That sausage in there, honey, it takes it to another height. Oh my God, so good. So yeah, so thick and zesty spaghetti seasoning packet. Now, yes, you can make this on your own with just seasoning, spices, and cornstarch. But if you ain't got time for all that, then this is a good settling option, okay? Judge somebody else, all right? This is for a home cooked meal, family style, all right? I know this is not the chef's kitchen all the time, you guys. It's okay to use little seasoning packets. So I really just go and mix that very, very, very well so that everything is fully incorporated, and then we do add a can of tomatoes. All right, so we are using this ragu sauce because, again, during these trying times, honey, you cannot be picky. You got to get what you can from the grocery. So we got the ragu sauce, we put it in there, and then I'm going to mix it up, and then we're going to add water to the jar, give it a nice little swish, swish action, and then we're going to pour the remnants of it into the sauce pan. So we're just going to continue to mix that up really well. Oh, it looks so good, you guys. I know it look good. Tell me it don't look good. I know y'all looking at this screen and saying, damn, I'm getting hungry. Y'all can't, y'all cannot just be watching this and not like salivate right now. Anywho, you add your water. You don't have to fill it all the way to the top, just enough. And then, so you can try to get the rest of the sauce out the jar. And you're just going to mix that together. And then this thing is going to just simmer away and turn into a nice, yummy, thick spaghetti sauce. It's going to be so good. Somebody going to come to your house and they're going to come to the door and they're going to be like, girl, what is you cooking? Or, dude, what is you cooking? It smells so good in here. And you're going to tell them, I'm making Angie's spaghetti sauce. And it's so good. So, truth moment. I think this is when I realized that I forgot to put onions in the beginning part. So I do, yes, we're going to add the soy sauce. Please do. But I do typically add diced onions in the beginning parts of the sauce because I like to incorporate that onion flavor in there. And I use sweet onions, but use whatever onions you want. I've never used red onions in spaghetti, so I don't really know how that would work out. But I do add my onions in. It's coming up, and I did forget. So that's my truth moment. Everybody's not perfect all the time. Again, this is not the restaurant. This is not a chef kitchen. Honey, we are at home. This is family style cooking, okay? So, disclaimer. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Look at that sauce. Look at me. Oh my God, you guys. It looks so freaking delicious. So freaking delicious. This probably simmered for about 30 to 45 minutes. But I love spaghetti sauce. I love this type of cooking because you can just kind of let it do its thing and it's going to be all right. The longer it cooks, the better it tastes. But it looks so good. So do y'all want some? Let's plate it up for you, okay? I'm going to get y'all a little plate. We're going to judge it up for you a little bit. Look at that sauce, y'all. Y'all see that color? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Put some of that on them noodles. Give me some more. Give me some more. Give me more. Give me more. Oh, look at that. Bon appetit, y'all. So good. little cheese. Ooh, you toss a little fresh herb. Oh, so good. Bon appetit, you guys. Enjoy. Bye, superstars.